Dembell Motorhome is a luxury motorhome built without compromise. It's designed to provide the comfort and engineering of a luxury yacht on land. Here are some key features. Exterior design. The exterior design is sleek with an unbroken surface. All protruding parts, hinges, handles, and windows are hidden. The motorhome features Dembell's trademark red stripes. Interior design. The interior is designed to create comfortable, easy-to-use spaces with premium materials and smart solutions throughout the vehicle. Models. Dembell offers 3 models with different garage sizes and variable interior layouts. All models come with high-class solutions built in as standard. Chassis. The motorhome rides on a 3-axle Mercedes chassis. Volkner Mobil is a German-based manufacturer of luxury motorhomes renowned for their high-quality, bespoke creations. They're recognized for producing some of the most luxurious and technologically advanced motorhomes globally, offering a range of features such as state-of-the-art interiors, customized layouts, and innovative designs. Volkner Mobil vehicles are often seen as luxurious residences on wheels, providing high-end amenities akin to a 5-star hotel. They're equipped with various luxurious elements, including premium materials, spacious living areas, fully equipped kitchens, high-end entertainment systems, and even garages to accommodate smaller vehicles like sports cars or motorcycles. STX Motorhomes 2-inch model with pop-outs and a garage. However, the concept of pop-outs and garages in motorhomes is not uncommon in the industry. Pop-outs, also known as slide-outs or pop-up extensions, are expandable sections in motorhomes that can be extended outward to create more interior space when the vehicle is parked. These sections often accommodate additional living space, such as larger seating areas, expanded kitchens, or bedrooms, providing more comfort and roominess. Garages in motorhomes typically refer to dedicated storage areas designed to accommodate smaller vehicles like motorcycles, bicycles, or even cars. This feature is especially popular among motorhome enthusiasts who enjoy bringing along additional modes of transportation for exploration or convenience. Hymer Vision Venture is an innovative concept camper showcased by the German camper van manufacturer Hymer. It's designed to be a futuristic and sustainable motorhome that integrates modern technology, advanced materials, and eco-friendly features. The Vision Venture concept was unveiled to illustrate Hymer's vision for the future of camper vans. It showcases a sleek and aerodynamic exterior design, emphasizing a futuristic aesthetic. Inside, it features a spacious and stylish interior with multifunctional furniture, smart storage solutions, and a focus on creating a comfortable living space for travelers. One notable aspect of the Hymer Vision Venture concept is its emphasis on sustainability. It incorporates eco-friendly materials and technologies aimed at reducing the environmental impact of the vehicle. This includes using sustainable materials in construction, integrating renewable energy sources, and employing efficient systems for water and energy management. The camper also incorporates innovative technological features such as a digital control system that allows users to manage various functions of the vehicle through a smartphone app. Marchi Mobile Elysium is a luxurious, high-end motorhome manufactured by the Austrian company Marchi Mobile. It's renowned for its futuristic design, opulent features, and state-of-the-art technology, often considered one of the most extravagant and expensive motorhomes globally. The Elysium series features a distinctive exterior design, with its most iconic model, the Elysium Palazzo, known for its aerodynamic shape, luxurious amenities, and attention to detail. Some standout features of the Elysium Palazzo include luxurious interior. The interior is designed with high-quality materials and lavish finishes. It boasts spacious living areas, deluxe bedrooms, modern kitchens, and beautifully crafted bathrooms. Thor Vision Vehicle might refer to several things depending on the context. It could relate to Thor, the superhero. In Marvel comics and movies, Thor is a character associated with powerful weaponry and futuristic technology. A Thor Vision vehicle could be a concept or design related to transportation or advanced technology within the Thor universe. Automotive industry. There might be a vehicle model named Thor or a concept car known as the Thor Vision vehicle designed by a specific automotive company. This could refer to a prototype showcasing new features, designs, or technologies envisioned for future vehicles. Tech and innovation. Some companies use the term vision vehicle to denote a concept or prototype that represents their vision for the future of transportation or technology. RC12M is equipped with a range of cutting-edge technology, including a fully integrated automation system that controls everything from the lighting and climate to the entertainment system. There's even a hydraulic leveling system that ensures a perfectly level ride, even on uneven terrain. Powerful performance. The Volvo FH chassis and 540 horsepower engine provide plenty of power for cruising down the highway. The RC12M also comes with a range of safety features, including lane departure warning and adaptive cruise control. Unique party trick. One of the most unique features of the RC12M is its party trick. The rear section of the motorhome can be hydraulically raised and extended, creating a large balcony area with stunning views. This is perfect for enjoying the outdoors or entertaining guests. Truck Surf Hotel is a unique mobile accommodation concept that combines adventure travel with comfortable lodging. It involves transforming a large truck into a hotel on wheels, designed specifically for surfers and adventure enthusiasts. This mobile hotel typically consists of a modified truck that unfolds into a two-story accommodation, offering sleeping quarters, a lounge area, kitchen facilities, bathrooms, and sometimes even a rooftop terrace. The primary aim is to provide travelers with a comfortable place to stay while exploring various surf spots or remote locations. The Truck Surf Hotel travels to different surf destinations, allowing guests to experience multiple locations without the need to book separate accommodations or worry about transportation. It offers the convenience of mobility while providing amenities comparable to a hotel room. The concept has gained popularity among those seeking unique travel experiences, especially surfers who want to explore different waves in coastal regions without sacrificing comfort or convenience. Starliner SL25, a true gem of the luxury motorhome world. Its combination of compact size, spacious interior, and top-notch amenities make it a head-turner on any road. Here's a closer look at what makes it special. Compact luxury, measuring just under 9 meters, 29.5 feet, long, the SL25 is surprisingly adept at navigating tight spaces and city streets. This makes it a fantastic choice for adventurous road trips where maneuverability is key, without sacrificing the comforts of a larger RV. Spacious interior that expands. Don't let the compact size fool you. The SL25 boasts a surprisingly spacious interior thanks to its clever use of two slide-outs. These extend outwards, creating a generous living area with ample room for a comfortable lounge, dining table, and even a flat-screen TV. Luxurious amenities galore. Step inside the SL25 and you'll be greeted by a world of luxury. A well-equipped kitchen with a stove, oven, refrigerator, and dishwasher caters to your culinary needs, while two queen-size beds, one in the master bedroom and another in the loft, ensure everyone sleeps soundly. A bathroom with a shower, toilet, and vanity adds to the comfort, and heated floors, air conditioning, and a sound system keep things pleasant year-round. Optional garage for your toys. For the ultimate in travel versatility, some SL25 models come with a rear garage that can accommodate a small car or motorcycle. Imagine rolling up to your campsite with your bikes or kayaks ready to explore. Furrion Elysium is a luxurious concept RV showcased by Furrion, a company known for innovative technology in the RV and marine industries. It's designed to redefine luxury in recreational vehicles and showcase cutting-edge features and amenities. The Elysium is not your typical RV. It's a massive, high-end motorhome that boasts extravagant features such as helipad. Yes, this RV comes with a helipad on its roof, allowing travelers to land a helicopter on top. Luxurious interiors. Inside, it's equipped with high-tech entertainment systems, modern furniture, and top-notch appliances. It includes a lounge area, bedrooms, a modern kitchen, and even a smart shower. Smart technology. Furrion incorporates the latest in smart technology, such as touchscreen controls, smart appliances, and high-end audio-visual systems. Expandable spaces, the Elysium features slide-outs to expand living areas, providing more room when parked. Modern design, the design is sleek and futuristic, emphasizing comfort and luxury. SLRV Commander is a heavy-duty, custom-built off-road vehicle designed and manufactured by SLRV Expedition Vehicles, an Australian company specializing in creating robust and luxurious expedition vehicles. These vehicles are specifically engineered for off-grid adventures, capable of navigating rough terrains while offering comfortable living spaces. The SLRV Commander is part of SLRV's lineup of expedition vehicles and is known for its size, durability, and customization options. It's typically built on a heavy-duty truck chassis and can feature various amenities and functionalities suited for extended off-road travel and remote living. These vehicles often include features such as off-road capability, built on a rugged chassis with high ground clearance and advanced suspension systems, allowing it to navigate challenging terrains. Luxurious interiors, despite its rugged exterior, the interior is designed for comfort and often includes sleeping quarters, a kitchenette, a bathroom, and ample storage. CMC Athena Motorhome, a true palace on wheels. Designed by the Italian masters of luxury RV craftsmanship, CMC, the Athena is often referred to as the goddess of motorhomes for a reason. Luxury fit for royalty, imagine stepping into a spacious living area bathed in sunlight, thanks to its expansive windows. Plush sofas and armchairs invite relaxation, while a handcrafted entertainment center with a widescreen TV keeps you entertained. The dining area features a marble table fit for a feast, and the gourmet kitchen boasts top-of-the-line appliances for preparing culinary masterpieces. A home away from home, the Athena isn't just about luxury, it's about comfort and functionality. A spacious master bedroom awaits with a king-size bed that promises restful nights, while additional sleeping arrangements cater to family or guests. The spa-like bathroom features his and her sinks, a rainfall shower, and even a jacuzzi tub for ultimate pampering. Entegra coach lineup included various models across different classes, each offering its own set of features and amenities. Entegra coach is known for its luxury motorhomes with high-end finishes and quality construction. In 2016, Entegra coach offered several models, including Entegra Aspire, known for its combination of luxury and performance. The Aspire is a Class A motorhome that typically features high-quality materials, spacious interiors, and modern amenities. Entegra Anthem. The Anthem is another Class A motorhome that stands out for its luxurious interior design, advanced technology, and premium features, catering to travelers looking for top-tier comfort. Entegra Cornerstone, positioned as the flagship model, the Cornerstone is the epitome of luxury in the Entegra coach lineup. It often boasts high-end finishes, cutting-edge technology, and an array of amenities aimed at providing a lavish travel experience. Each model within the Entegra coach lineup in 2016 likely had multiple floor plans available, offering varying layouts, sleeping arrangements, and interior configurations to cater to different preferences and needs of RV enthusiasts.